Hello children, in the last video we have seen exercise first B. We have completed question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Today we are going to continue with question number 4 from exercise first B. Let us see what is question number 4. See page number 18 in the textbook, exercise first B, question number 4. Write the number which has a question from that. We have to write the number for both the questions, sub questions A and B. See what is the condition given here in question A. In A it is given like this. See 4 is in hundreds place, 3 in tens place, 0 in ones place, 7 in thousands place, 5 in lakhs place, 0 in 10,000s place and 6 in 10 lakhs place. Now if you will observe carefully, you will come to know the last place is ones place. So from ones, means ones is the lowest place here and which is the highest place that we have to see. If you will count number of digits here, see 4, 3, 0, 7, 5 and 6. Means total number of digits are 6 here. So it is a 6-digit number. So it will start from ones place and ends with 10 lakhs place here. Okay. Just see here, I have written the Indian place value chart here. Now we are going to write the digit which is present at the particular place. We will write the digit accordingly in that place. See 4 in hundreds place. If you will observe, I have written here Indian place value chart and now 4 is present in hundreds place. So in hundreds place I will write here 4. Then 3 in tens place. See 3 is in tens place. 0 in ones place. 0 is in ones place. 7 in thousands place. 7 in thousands place here. Then 5 in lakhs place. See write 5 in lakhs place. 0 in 10,000s place. 0 in 10,000s place and 6 in 10 lakhs place. In 10 lakhs place there is 6, means here lowest place is given ones and the highest is 10 lakhs place. So it is a 7-digit number, not 6-digit. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So what is the number formed by placing all the digits at the particular place? As we know, last three digits will come under ones period. So comma before this 3 numbers. Then 1000 and 10,000, 2 digits in thousands period. So I have given here comma. And now this is 5 and 6 in lakhs period. So the number formed is 65 lakh. 07 means 7,430. We will write this number with the comma here. So I have written here number formed 65 lakh. 07,000 means 7,430. This is the number formed. Here the places and accordingly digits are given. We have to place the digits in the respective places and write the number which is newly formed. Now question number B. See here 3 in 10,000s place, 0 each in ones, thousands and millions place. Means 0 is present in ones place also, thousands place also and millions place also. 4 in 10 millions place, 2 in 100,000s place, 6 in hundreds place and 9 in tens place. If you will read the problem carefully, you will come to know here 100,000s are there, millions are there. Then this number we have to write according to the international place value system. Here lowest place is ones and millions place, 10 millions place, means 10 millions place is the highest place here. So accordingly I have written here international place value system chart and accordingly we will write down the digits in respective places. See 3 in 10,000s place. See this is the 10,000s place, we should write 3 here. 0 in ones, thousands and millions place. Ones place 0. Then thousands place again 0 here and millions place also 0 is there. 4 in 10 millions place. So 10 millions place is here, 4 is present in 10 millions place. 2 in 100,000s place. This is 100,000, you write 2 here. 2 in 100,000s place. 6 in hundreds place, hundreds place 6 and 9 in tens place. Now according to the international place value system, three digits will come in each period from the extreme right side. So we will put commas here. See 1, 2, 3, 3 digits in ones period. 1, 2, 3 will come in thousands period and remaining will come in millions period. So the number, how to read it? See 40 million, 230,690. So the number newly formed is 40,230,690. See, you have to write down these questions in your notebook. So if you want to take the photo or picture of this, you can capture and afterwards you can write it in the notebook. Otherwise, try to understand how we have solved the problem properly and you can do by yourself also. Now let us see what is face value and place value. This is the next part we are going to see now. See, every digit which is present in the number, it has two types of values. One is called face value and the other one is called place value. See, what is this? We will take one example and I will explain it. See, a face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself, whatever place it occupies in the place value chart. Just see, we will take one 2-digit number. See, I have written here 5-digit number. Okay. Let us see what is the place value of 3 here. See, the digit which is present at any place, no problem. You see the digit and that is only its value, that is its face value. Okay. 3 is the face value of the digit here. It doesn't matter where it is present, though it is present in thousands place, no problem. See, this 3 is present at hundreds place, but both have the face value 3 here. It doesn't matter it is present at which place, the number itself is its face value. See, by looking this digit you can understand this is 3. So the face value of this digit is 3 anywhere in any number, though it is present at ones place, thousands place, hundreds place or any place. Face value means the digit itself, the number itself shows its face value. See, 2 is present here at 10,000 place and this 2 is present at tens place. But both digits, though they are present at different places, it doesn't matter. The face value of this 2 is same. It is 2 only. Do you understand what is meant by face value? Now we will see what is place value. Same example we will consider here. Here it is important. It is very important to understand at which place the digit is present. Okay, actually place value means, see, the digit into value of the place. Value of the place. As you know, see there, these are the places for each digit here. For each digit you see, it is present at particular place. And every place has its value. See, ones place has the value 1. Tens place has the value 10. Hundreds place has the value 100. Thousands place has the value 1000. And 10,000 place has the value 10,000. Now, whenever you are writing the place value of the each digit from this number you consider its place, because when I'm going to write the place value of particular digit, I am taking the digit and multiplying it by the value of that place. Now here I will write 23325. Okay, 5 is at 1's place. So place value of 5 will be, see what is the digit present at 1's place, that is 5. This 5 will be multiplied by its value of that place. What is the value of that place? 1. So 5 ones are 5. So this 5 is the place value of 5. Now second digit is 2. So take digit and multiply it by value of the place. 2 is at 10's place, so multiply it by 10. 2 tens are 20. Now 3 is at 100's place. So 3 and the value of that place is 100. So 300. This 3 is at 1000's place. So 3 multiplied by the value of the place is 1000. So this is 3000. And the last digit, that is 2, which is present at 10,000's place. So 2 into 10,000, that is 20,000. Do you understand what is the difference between the face value and place value? Face value means the digit itself, and the place value means digit into value of that place. So whenever you are multiplying the digit by its value, you will get the place value of particular digit. Do you understand what is the place value? Now we will solve next exercise where we have to write the place values. Let us see the next exercise now. Now let's continue with exercise first C, question number 1. See, find the place value of, in first question what is asked? 6. We have to find out the place value of 6 in 3,62,27,580. Now where is digit 6? First we will circle it. Okay. So circle the digit 6. This 6 we have to find out the place value of 6. So I circle 6 here. Now 6 is at which place? Start counting from the extreme right hand side. See, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is at 10 lakhs place. So according to the formula what I explained before, see, place value of 6 is equal to, see what is the digit that we have to take. This is the product of digit and the value of that place. So what is the value of this place? See, this is 10 lakhs place. So 6 will be multiplied by 10 lakh. So what will be the place value? 6 into 10 lakh, that is 60 lakh. See, try to understand. See, place value means digit into the value of that place. So 6 is the digit. 6 into 10 lakh, that is 60 lakh. This is the place value of 6. Now the second example, we have to find out the place value of 3 in, see there, this is 39 crore 65 lakh 28,100. So where is 3? 3 is present at which place? See, 3 you circle here and count. See, from the extreme right hand side, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is 10 crore. Okay. So place value of this 3 is equal to, see, you should take the digit first and multiply it by the value of that place. 3 is at 10 crores place. So multiply it by 10 crore. See, this is 10 crore, 2 zeros for lakhs, 2 zeros for thousands, and HTO. So you will get 3 into 10, that is 30 crore. So this is the place value of 3 in this given number. Now I have explained you these two examples, A and B. You will solve remaining 4 questions from question number 1, that is C, D, E and F. Whatever the remaining questions are there, from this first question you solve, you should find out place value of the digits given there. Thank you.